In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Hedra AI, a tool that lets you create videos, images, audio, and avatars with the power of AI. First, go to the Hedra AI website and click Sign Up. You can create an account with your email or sign in quickly with Google. After setting your password and confirming your email, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see options for video creation, image generation, audio, and avatars. Hedra is especially useful for ads, branded content, and creative projects without needing expensive production. To make a video, you can first generate an AI character image. This is a smart way to test styles before spending credits on full videos. When you're ready, choose the aspect ratio, resolution, duration, and even add emotions or scripts. For speech, Hedra supports AI voices from 11 Labs and Minimax. Each video uses 3-6 credits per second depending on quality. Free accounts include 300 credits but come with slower rendering and no commercial rights. Paid plans start at $10 month for 1,000 credits, $30 month for 4,000 credits, and $75 month for 12,000 credits, with added benefits like premium voices, commercial use, and no watermarks. Extra credits can also be purchased. Overall, Hedra AI is a flexible and affordable way to generate professional content fast. Thanks for watching.